Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Finally, after all this time, since Langkawi, we have not been traveling really. Yeah, we've done a couple trips to Tiamen, but we're finally hitting the road and finally going on a trip. Now, today's trip, we are heading from Johor all the way up to Cherating, which is on the east coast of Malaysia, a massive surf spot, and that's what we're gonna be doing when we're up there. We're gonna be doing some surfing. The day after, we're going to be going up to Terrengganu, and we're going to be hitting up the Terrengganu surf competition over the next few days. So loads and loads of content coming up, loads of videos coming up. Stick to the channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and let's hit the road. Right, so we've stopped at like a little area now. It's got loads of food and stuff. But we've just stopped here to meet all the other guys that are coming with us on the trip. We can get food here. And yeah, it's really nice weather today as well. It's great weather for driving in. Got the music on. Ella's here now. Say hi, Ella. She's just finished work, so she's literally like still in her work clothes, so she's off to get changed. Yeah, so I'd say we're probably about an hour on the road now. Just basically just concrete all the way, that's what it is, until we do the turn off and start going across the other side of the country. But yeah, we'll keep you updated.
And see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh.
Right, okay guys, so we have made it down to Cherating. We're on the beach down here. Long drive, I mean it took what, 6 hours, but we're here now. I'm tired, to be honest with you. You ready for it, boys? Okay, so I don't know if we're stopping here or not. We need to go find somewhere to stay, but let's get on it. Right, we're getting food and drinks, I think. Oh man, a beer would be amazing. Right, okay, so we have found ourselves a place to stay. It was like 120 ringgit, which is normally, it's more expensive than it normally is, but obviously because of COVID and due to the fact that they're not getting many customers, I can imagine they put the prices up a little bit. And obviously we checked in at like 7 o'clock, so obviously last minute deals. It's 120 ringgit, which is fine, to be honest with you. It's got aircon, which is good. Because it's very hot. We're literally like 20 steps from the beach, so hopefully tomorrow morning we're going to wake up and there's going to be some waves. There was no waves today apparently, and yesterday, so we're hoping that there's going to be some waves tomorrow for us to do a little bit of surfing in the morning before we head up to Terrengganu. But for now, we're gonna head off to bed and get ready for the morning. So the bad news is that we've woke up this morning. It's raining. Well, it's not raining anymore. It was raining. There's a cat here. Hello. Hiya. Yeah, so there's no waves at all. So we're not surfing this morning, unfortunately. We are just going to head straight up to Terrengganu. We're not going to hang around here. We're going to come here on the way back. So I suppose it's just more videos, isn't it? It's just more stuff to do. We're going to head up to Terrengganu now. Hopefully there'll be some waves up there. We can check in, find somewhere to stay, and get ready for the surf competition tomorrow. And check out Terrengganu. See what's up over there. We'll probably just stay with the same video. Just keep it going. Up to Terrengganu. I'm going to put the drone up now and show you the beach in Cherating.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Thanks for watching the first video, guys. Like I said, we're heading up to Terrengganu now. Car's ready to go. Cat's not coming with us, unfortunately. Hello. Hello. Cat's not coming with us, although he's quite cool. We've got our own cat already. Heading up to Terrengganu, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. And I'll see you all next time.